Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about a very exciting review on the new Nature's Little Secret Deep Conditioner. And I am like so excited. I literally got the package, I believe, last week, and I'm super excited. But before we get into all the details and everything, if you haven't already, subscribe, hit that like button, and also hit the bell notification so you guys can get when I upload videos. I'm planning on doing one video every week and eventually moving up to 2 videos a week. So yeah, just stay tuned. And if you guys want to know how this deep conditioner that I'm going to show you guys works, then keep on watching. So the deep conditioner that we're going to be talking about today is this one right here. And it's Nature's Little Secret Mixed Fruit Nutrient Rich Deep Conditioner. So this is what it looks like. I've opened it up just to smell it, but I haven't used it, I haven't touched it. So you guys are gonna be seeing the real and raw results of how this deep conditioner works. But let me smell it one more time. And this smells so good. It smells like peaches, but it's not like an overwhelming smell of like peach. Yeah, it smells so good. But before I read the ingredients to you guys, I wanted to tell you guys what I used in my hair before I got on here. So I wanted to show you guys, I wanted to keep the wash day kind of like in the Nature's Little Secret family, but unfortunately, when I made my order, I did not order a shampoo or a leave-in. I pretty much just ordered 2 of the deep conditioners and the sea moss, I think, styler. So this is the conditioner. Well, this is the shampoo that I use first. It's the Curlsmith Wash and Scrub Detox Pro-biotic. And I've been pretty obsessed with this shampoo because when I use gel to style my hair, I don't want to do a co-wash. I pretty much want a cleanser. Like, I want the shampoo to foam in my hair and just know that all the gel and all the buildup and everything is just getting out and being washed. So this is what I use. I also used this Nature's Little Secret Rose Hydrating Conditioner, and this is what it looks like. I know a lot of people use this as a deep conditioner. I just used it as a conditioner because for whatever reason, the first time that I used this, I hated it. I absolutely hated it. But this second time that I used it, I don't know what was wrong with my hair before the time that I used it before, but this time it was so like silky smooth in my hair. It just felt like butter. And I'm mad because I should have ordered more and I didn't. And I feel like I didn't give this conditioner a chance. But yeah, and I didn't use it as a deep conditioner. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but I pretty much just used it as a rinse out conditioner because I was gonna use this new deep conditioner. So yeah, so that's pretty much what I use for to cleanse my hair. So now for the ingredients of the deep conditioner, it says that it is, let me see here. Okay, I was on the wrong side. So it has peach, and it pretty much tells you on the bottle what the key ingredients are for. So peach, it says to strengthens hair and stimulates growth. Banana softens and moisturizes the hair. Pumpkin moisturizes and helps with scalp inflammation. Mango helps produce natural sebum and hydrator. And avocado strengthens and nourishes hair. And apple reduces dandruff and stimulates growth. So these sound like amazing ingredients. There's distilled water infused with prunus persicca. I guess it says peach. Fruit mousse.
What?
You know what? we just gonna cut it right there. We know there's peach, banana, pumpkin, mango, avocado, and apple in there. I'm not even gonna try to read that, but there's really good ingredients in here. It is sulfate, paraben, and silicone free, and it's made with organic ingredients, and it is a Black owned business. So I do know that the directions say that apply to freshly washed hair, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, rinse with cool water for intense conditioning, sit under hooded dryer or steamer for 20 minutes, and next use Little Secret's leave-in conditioner. So I'm not gonna be using any of the stylers to style my hair because I just wanted to pretty much review the deep conditioner. I'm going to be styling off camera and later on. And that's another video that I want to make for you guys. But yeah, I do know that this deep conditioner is limited edition. I am hoping that this deep conditioner is a permanent on their website because yeah, I pretty much love Nature's Little Secret. They have amazing products. From what I've used so far, which is the Rose conditioner and the sea moss styler, I mean, I'm so obsessed with the sea moss styler. I had already ordered one and I finished it, and I was so upset because I was like, why didn't I order another one? But I didn't order it. I just ended up ordering it now, and I ordered 2, and I'm planning on ordering 2 more. So, because I love it that much. But anyways, we're gonna jump into the deep conditioning part of this video. So yeah. So you guys, my hair, let's see. Like, do you guys see the curl definition? That's what I'm talking about, like, and you guys, as usual, I always leave some type of like conditioner or shampoo on my hair. So, I'll be back. I'm gonna take this out of my hair and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So, we're going to, as usual, I'm gonna part my hair, and I don't do it in a specific way. I just kind of split my hair, and also, you guys, I forgot to mention that I am gonna use my Behairful brush. As usual, I'm gonna use the Behairful brush to detangle my hair, and this deep conditioner smells so good. Like, I don't know. They are really up to something with this deep conditioner. It smells so amazing. Like, it just smells amazing. So, you guys, I also wanted to talk to you guys about what kind of content you guys wanted to see, because I have a lot of videos that I have planned on filming, but I kind of want to get, you know, you guys's you guys' opinion of what you guys want to see me film, because I don't like making videos without kind of just, you know, without you guys. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see how this is like running? Like, this has like some amazing slip. What? Like, oh my god. This feels amazing. Wow. This feels really amazing. Wow. I'm in shock. This feels really nice. Wow. I think I forgot what I was talking about. The deep conditioner really distracted me, for real. Wow. It feels so nice. trying to get this little knot down here. My hair wants to be acting up sometimes. But anyways, you guys, this deep conditioner has amazing slip. But as I was telling you guys, yeah, comment down below what you guys would like to see. My goal is to film, again, like I had mentioned before, my goal is to film at least one video a week. And I want to post more content on Instagram because I feel like I'm a little ghost on Instagram sometimes. And I don't know why. I guess because I don't know what to post sometimes. And I'm trying to learn how to make IGTV videos, and yeah, I'm trying to learn how to do a lot of stuff. I'm not too tech savvy, so yeah, I'm trying to figure out what to post, and I want to post more. I'm taking off my ring because honestly, I feel like I'm getting conditioner all up in the ring. But you guys, this conditioner is amazing. It has amazing slip. But you guys, as usual, I'm going to pretty much fast forward the video and I'll show you guys how my hair looks once I'm all done with the deep conditioning portion. I'm also going to leave it on my hair for 30 minutes. You can leave it on less than that, but I usually deep condition my hair for like 30 minutes to an hour. So this time I'm not gonna, I'm probably most likely not gonna leave it on for an hour. I'm just gonna leave it on for about 30 minutes and then I'll come back and show you guys the results. And yeah, so just keep on watching. Hey guys, I'm back. So I rinsed out the deep conditioner, and so I left it on for an extra 5 minutes. So I left it on for 35 minutes. And so let's see what it's looking like. I literally rinsed it out and just put my microfiber towel on. So we're gonna see what we're working with down under here. Okay. So, oh my God, my hair is so soft. And when I was rinsing it out, like my hair was so soft and silky smooth. Like it kind of felt like the same way that I was kind of like applying it on. It was kind of like the same way I rinsed it out, if you guys catch my drift. But yeah, it was very, very smooth, and it feels like very soft. And I love that smell. Like that peach smell is amazing. But here are the results, you guys. I'm happy. And my hair always has a lot of volume, so what can we do? What can we do? But this is what the results are looking like. I highly recommend this deep conditioner. I also recommend the Rose conditioner as well. I just didn't use it in this video for a deep conditioner, but I highly, highly recommend it. And yeah, after this video, I'm gonna go order some of the Rose conditioner because it is amazing. So thank you guys for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. And if you guys want to see more videos, more reviews, or just in general anything curly hair related, then please let me know and comment down below what you guys would like to see next. But this is it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.